Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I went back to the Dollar Tree to my surprise. Well, really I'm not surprised, but I'm surprised that I picked up some more stuff. So I did grab enough stuff to have 3 bags. So I'm here to share with you what I picked up. I'm just going to randomly grab the stuff out of the bag, so it's not going to be in any order. So just so you know that. And we're going to start with this Halloween sign. So this one is super cute. It says, "The Society of Black Hats, a fly-by-night group." I think this is adorable. I do have the one up behind me that says, "Come in, my pretties." That was one of my favorite ones that I found. And I think this one will have to be my second favorite. So I did grab that. Then they had some more of the sequin bins. You know how they have been putting the sequin bins out? Well, this time around, I was not familiar with this purple. The purple and silver. I'm going to open this one. They did have 2 different sizes. This one is the 7, it says 7 by 9. So that's the one that I picked up. And it's really, really pretty. It's just the purple with the silver. And I just love that. Purple is my favorite color. So I definitely had to pick up 2 of those. And then just for the sake of Halloween, because Halloween is kind of like purple and orange or whatever, I did go ahead and pick up this orange one as well. And this one is also orange and silver. I don't know what I picked them up for. I think I'm addicted to I'm holding the bag. I think I'm addicted to just doing this. This just, it feels so good. And then I don't know, I just like it. So to have these sitting around, I think is really, really cool. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in these, but I did, I dropped it. I did pick up those 3. Next in this bag, in my last hauls, you guys saw me with the Eiffel Tower, all the cute little ceramic decor, the gold, the silver, the balloon dogs, the balloon elephants, all of that. The store that I had got those from must have had these but didn't put them out, so I went ahead and picked one out. And it's a little, I don't want to say he's a pug. I know somebody will tell me, what is this dog? I forgot. I cannot think right now. Is it a pug? His face isn't flat like a pug, so I can't really tell you. But I did pick up the cute little dog, and it's just super cute, gold. That was the only one that I got this go round. They did have silver, but I think I have enough of those because I also picked up the love. And it's like a balloon letter love. And they had these in silver. They actually had these in silver, pink, and I want to say turquoise. It was another color. But honestly, I think these were left over from a previous year of like Valentine's Day or something like that. But they put those back out. So I went ahead and picked one up. Then I saw these, let me drop this bag. Then I saw these super cute candles, and they had 3 sizes, but I only picked up the 2. And it's a little wax candle that's shaped like a pumpkin, and this one is one of the shorter, like flat pumpkins, and then this one is more, has more height to it. And they do have the burning stem on top, and the whole candle is actually wax. They did have another size as well, but these were the 2 that I picked up. I don't think they have any fragrance, but I just think these would be super cute to burn. Honestly, I picked these up to also be put into my mother's gift basket that I'm going to give her for around Thanksgiving Day. So these will go in there, and I thought these were so cute. I saw some new signs for the wall, and I just could not pass these up. It says, "Do not," or donut, "Donut worry, be happy." You know, the whole little donut saying. So it's a cute little cat with a donut around him, like an inner tube. And then you have all these little donuts that'll go with it. And I just think it's super cute. Then you have another cat on the back. And then the words that say, "Donut worry, be happy," that you can put around it. Super cute. I don't know if you can see the picture really, really good right there. So I went ahead and got that. And then this one I thought was cute too. And it's just some words, but it says, "Kindness is free. Sprinkle that stuff everywhere." I thought that was adorable. And then it doesn't have like little sprinkles, but it has like the little, supposed to be sprinkles like right there or whatever. But honestly, when I read it in the store, I was saying kindness is free. Sprinkle that bleep everywhere. I wish it would have said that. I just think that's cute. That's probably just my mouth that would have liked to seen that. But anyways, then I saw these stickers I had never seen before, and they are pop-up stickers. Now I will admit they're not the cutest, but I did get them to actually try them out to see what they are about. And I think what they are is they have a little tab at the bottom, so once you put it on the paper you can fold it up, and these actually sit up or they pop up. So I'm gonna open one and see. And then I also picked up this one that says pop up, and they are some little robots, and I thought these would be cute for me to do something with Pooh Bear with the little Pooh Bear, I mean with the robots. But honestly, I just kind of wanted to see what these were about. So okay, so the only sticker part is, yeah, that's what I thought. So the only part that is a sticker is the very bottom tab. Can you see that? So see how it's sitting straight up? So the bottom tab, you just fold it in half in the line, and so these stickers can be put on crafts and they'll stand straight up like that. So the back part is not sticky on them. That is so cute. This would have been real cute if I was doing like some crafting with beach stuff or whatever. Like I said, I just grabbed these because I just kind of wanted to see what that was about. But I got the robots to play around with the baby with, so we can do something. Maybe I'll do like a little robot scenery or something and get some marbles, and it'll be like he's in outer space or something like that. I don't know, but I'm gonna do something with those. The only beauty items that I grabbed this time was this Wet n Wild Mega Plump Mascara. It says 5 times plumper in Berry Black. And I believe this is the same Wet n Wild that they usually always carry, but I do notice, I mean, we all pretty much know that they will just repackage stuff sometimes and make it look different than what was already in the store. So I'm not too sure if this is the same as the other mascara that they have there. But however, I did pick that up because for me, I can never have too much mascara. Then I grabbed this, and it says Tame and Define Mega Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. So you can use this for your brows. It says Tame and Define Eyebrows or your lashes. I'm sorry, I was trying to read it. It says your brows or your lashes, and it's in clear. And if you just want to tame your eyelashes or your eyebrows, that'll be a good thing to have. So I grabbed that. And then the last thing was this bendy clip by Scunchi, and it's just a little comb, and then it has a cute little band with the little beads on it and everything. So I went ahead and grabbed that. I have a bunch of Crayola stuff that I had never seen before. So I picked up some of this stuff for me to do some activities with the kids for fall. So first of all, I got some washable glue, and I didn't even know that they made washable glue. I don't know what rock I've been under, but this is a bottle of washable glue, 4 fluid ounces. I might go back and pick up some more and take them to Pooh Bear's school, and that way, donate them to the teachers. So I did pick up one of those, and that one, sorry if I moved the camera, that is the liquid one. And then I also saw the glue sticks. It says dries on clear, and it's transparent. And these are 2 glue sticks, and the bottoms are like that because you can stand them straight up on a table. So it's really good for like little hands, or Then they had some Bold Colors Crayola Super Tip washable. All of this stuff is washable, which I thought was really cool. So the washable markers, and I got the 2 packs because, as you can see, there's the lighter pastel colors in one, and then more of the darker colors in the other one. And it shows you the colors on the back of them right here, right there. So I did get those 2 packs, and like I said, it says you can draw thick or draw thin, and because they're washable, I just went ahead and grab those. They also had the Crayola glitter crayons, and so I just picked up those. They had some washable paints, so I picked up the 4 colors that I saw. And like I said, it's just to do some crafting. These are like fall colors. So they had the white little jar. And this is 2 fluid ounces of white washable paint. Then I grabbed the brown one, the red, and as you can see, these are definitely fall colors, and the orange. And then also to go with those, I did pick up some canvas little boards. So I picked up this one that looks more like a picture frame. And then I also picked up one for my daughter to do something. It's a canvas panel. And so I'll let them sit up and draw something. Maybe we'll go collect leaves outside and trace them and color them. I don't know what we're going to do yet, but I picked up all of that stuff to do some crafting. Then, let me set this down. I've been seeing these on Instagram, and I was surprised I hadn't seen them in my stores out here. But I finally seen them, and I grabbed 4 of them. It's the peel and stick decals, and this one is Be Amazing. I just thought these were super cute. And you can just, it's basically a giant sticker, but I really like them. And then this one is like girl power everything with the little quote bubbles. Cute pictures. Love how they look like they're kind of foilish, like foil. This one is really cute. You got, does it say? Yeah, you got it, girl. That, I love the black with the colors that pop, the pastel type colors on top of it. It reminds me of like when I was younger. I used to, when I would color, did you guys used to do this? I used to, how did I do it? I haven't done it in so long. But you would color a picture with regular color crayons, and then you go over it with your black crayon and you color the whole thing black, and then you take like a you take something and you scrape it, and then when you scraped it, you saw like the colors come through like this. I haven't done that in so many years, but I remember I used to do that, and I just thought I was doing, I was the bomb when it came to coloring. So I don't know, but that's what that reminded me of, and I loved it. And then this one is super pretty, and it is a pineapple, and it says stand tall, wear a crown. That is my favorite. Those colors are pretty. So I'm finally happy that my stores got those because they're super cute. In this last bag, it's only a couple things. Whenever I can find the copier paper, I do pick them up just to have as backup, because when I'm printing stuff, the worst thing ever is to run out of paper. And so whenever I see these, I just go ahead and pick them up. You get 75 sheets for $1. That's not too bad. So I just picked up, I always pick up 2, and that way I'll just put them, you know, in my stash in case I run out of paper. And the last things that I grabbed is some more socks. And these, I just like the color, and they say crew socks. They're like a peach and an orange and a pink and a white. And I really like these kind of thick socks for after the shower. You know, if you put your lotion on, you want to put on some really nice thick fluffy socks to, you know, absorb the moisture in your feet from the lotions and stuff, as well as these right here. And these are not new. They come every year around this time of the year, but through the year I usually will toss them, so I just re-upped on these. And this one is the blue Snuggadoo 2 socks, and they do have the grips on the back, like the little dots back here. I got that color. I got the ones with the cute little pink and white hearts, and then I also got these that will be a gift in a gift basket as well. And these are the black ones, but if you look, they have like the really cute sparkle in them. And I know a few of you ladies do crafts and stuff with socks. Like I think like my grandmother used to do that. You would take the sock and put some cotton in it and then sew it up right here, and then this could be like a ghost, or I don't know. That's not my thing. But I know like in the past years, people start looking for these really soft Snuggadoo socks to do crafting with. So if you are looking for them, they're there. So that is it for this haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. It wasn't too much, but it was something. So thank you all for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.